Hello， 大家好，今次我第一次喺 YouTube 度拍呢個 unbox 嘅 video 啦，
好緊張啊！
今次為大家 unbox 嘅 items 咧係一樣我一直以嚟好想要、夢寐以求嘅 items 啊，而呢樣嘢就係 Valentino 嘅 Open Sneakers 啊。至於點解會等咁耐先買，係因為嗰時就係到聖誕節啦，咁啱 N Clothing 咧就做緊25% off 喎，咁我嗰時心諗，唉，對 Valentino 都唔會再減到咁低㗎啦。所以我就抱住呢個心動不如行動呢個感覺就買咗啦。拎呢個 parcel 嘅時候咧，就發生咗一個小插曲，就有件 parcel 無啦啦俾人拎咗，原來咧係俾一個同名同姓嘅人拎咗啊！唉，呢啲就係大眾命嘅壞處啦。好彩最尾有驚無險都拎得翻件 items， 事不宜遲，我就即刻為大家 unbox 呢個鞋啦。首先 N Clothing 啦，都買嘅。呢個咧就係對鞋啦，唔知大家睇唔睇到？係好，即係 Valentino。之後咧，佢一打開咧就有個小信封啦，我估應該講嗰啲指引點樣保養對鞋啦。之後佢就送咗一個藍白色嘅鞋帶，唔知大家睇唔睇到？之後咧，佢仲送咗兩個呢啲布袋，我諗應該攞嚟裝住對鞋嘅，即係可能防塵袋咁樣，唔會整污糟對鞋嘛。話晒都咁鬼貴。照到今日嘅戲肉啦，就係呢對 sneakers 啦。我今次買咗係藍白色，俾大家睇一個 close up 先。佢後面有啲釘釘。只要如果大家想買嘅話咧，我建議大家買細一個 size， 因為我本身着42號鞋㗎，但係我今次買就買41號，因為呢對鞋又普遍偏大嘅，所以大家可以不妨買細個 size， 如果有興趣嘅話。第二類。
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested or I'm not listening or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend, so you can't go back. Please enjoy your party, I'll be here.
而今日嘅 unbox video 就到呢度結束啦。如果中意我嘅 video 嘅話，就記得幫我 like 啦同 subscribe 我個 channel。多謝，拜拜。